Yes. Welcome back to mathematics class again. So we are discussing one activity. So that activity, in that we are discussing this paragraph, right? So we will continue that explanation part. So here you can also note that vertex A dash corresponds to vertex A, vertex B dash corresponds to vertex B, vertex C dash corresponding to vertex C. Okay, vertex D dash corresponds to vertex D. Symbolically, these correspondences are represented as, see, correspondence symbol is like this. Okay, so arrow mark you can observe, no? A dash corresponds to A, B dash corresponds to B, C dash corresponds to C, and D dash corresponds to D. By actually measuring the angles and the sides of the two quadrilaterals, you may verify that. So corresponds, vertices corresponds to each other. Corresponds in the sense when the two objects overlap or parallel, no? So A dash ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತದೆ? A. So B dash B, C dash C, D dash D. So that is called as corresponds. ಒಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದು overlap ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, that is called as corresponds condition. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, vertices you can observe from the figure that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A ಗೆ corresponding ಆಗಿ A dash, B ಗೆ correspond B dash, for D dash, and C dash. This is called as corresponds condition. So corresponds to each other. A dash A. So like this corresponds to each other, no? So we can observe, if we measure the two quadrilateral, beginning ABCD is one quadrilateral, then shadow of the ABCD is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. So if you measure that angles, then you will get angle A which is equal to angle A dash, angle B which is equal to angle B dash, angle C is equal to angle C dash ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, angle D which is equal to angle D dash ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. And one more thing, very important, this is actually new topic for you. AB is divided by A dash B dash, then is equal to BC divided by B dash C dash, CD divided by C dash D dash, and DA divided by D dash A dash. All these proportions are equal. All these ratios are equal. What is this ratios? Sides ratio. So you can say that all the similar figures, whatever we are taking similar figures alla, so their corresponding angles are equal, then the sides are in proportion. Okay, so that is ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಎ ಬಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಎ ಬಿ ಸೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರೋ ಆನ್ಸರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎ ಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಬೈ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಯರ್ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎ ಬಿ divided by A dash B dash, BC divided by B dash C dash, CD divided by C dash D dash, and DA divided by D dash A dash. So this again emphasize that two polygons of the same number of sides. Here we'll get the conclusion statement of this activity. So what is that? Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar idre condition if ಒಂದನೇದು all the corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? equal ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Second one, all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, so this is the condition of the similar figures of having the same, okay, so sides. Similar figures andre of course again idagutte. One more time I want to give the clear picture of this concept. This is actually our topic, similar figures. But in our 10th standard syllabus we have to study similar triangles. So before going to start the similar triangles, so we'll learn similar figures concept, then we'll jump to similar triangles in the next class. Okay, so now you have got the clear picture, no? If two polygons of same sides, okay, are similar, then their corresponding angles are always equal. Corresponding angles ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, equal ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Then ಎರಡನೇದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸುಮಾರಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ಎ ಬಿ ಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಸಿ ಡಿ ಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಡಿ ಎ ಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. All these ratios are equal. Okay, so these are the two conditions of similar figures. So similar figures ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So from this activity we got the conclusion statement as similar figures. Two similar figures are always, okay, in similar figures, so corresponding angles are equal, then the sides of the ratio of the sides of the corresponding sides are always equal. Okay, na ratios are equal, the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Short and sweet agi ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಪಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Corresponding sides are in the proportion ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Okay, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, so I'll go to next page. Now look at this figure. From the above, you can easily say that quadrilateral ABCD and PQRS are similar. ABCD PQRS. Can we say that this one is similar? ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಕಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 105 105 ಈಕ್ವಲ್, 100 100 ಈಕ್ವಲ್, 85 85 ಈಕ್ವಲ್, 70 70 ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾನು ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದು ನಿಲ್ಸಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಿ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯೂ, ದೆನ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಎ ಬಿ ಗೆ ಇದು ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಿ ಎಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ okay RQ, then for DC corresponding side is okay, so SR. Can we write the corresponding sides now? I'll use the board but I have to stop sharing. Wait for a few minutes. You just take that is AB by PQ, which is equal to, according to our condition, BC divided by QR. Okay, so then that is equal to DC divided by SR, and that is equal to AD divided by PS. I'll write the measurement afterwards. I'll remove the page, then you can see the board clearly. Okay, so here this is 1.5 by 3.0, which is equal to BC is 2.5 divided by 5.0, then that is equal to DC is 2.4 divided by 4.8, so that is equal to AD is 2.1 divided by 4.2. So now I'll go to stop sharing because you can see the board clearly now. Yes, now I think board is clear, no? So you are observing the two figures, similar figures. So we are checking whether, 1 minute. 3 participants are in the lobby. Join first. Okay, see, we are checking really the corresponding sides are in the same ratio or not. We are checking the two figures are similar anta kotidaralli. Okay na, ABCD and PQRS. So already corresponding angles are equal. Now we have to see the ratio. 1.5 by 3.0. What is that answer? 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2. After the simplification, 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. So all the ratios are equal. So these are the corresponding sides. AB, PQ corresponding sides. BC, QR corresponding sides. DCSR corresponding sides. ADPS corresponding sides are in the same ratio. This is the condition of similar figures. Similar figures. Is that clear? So in similar figures we can observe that corresponding angles are equal, then corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in proportion. Is that clear? Okay, I'll go back to sharing part. Yes. So now these two figures are similar. No, we can easily say that these two figures are similar figures. Okay. So now, now you just discuss this one. This is in your textbook part only. That's why I took all the photos. Okay. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೀಗ ಫೇಸ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ನ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ you can verify that if one polygon is similar to another polygon and this second polygon is similar to third polygon and the first polygon is similar to third polygon. Where is this? Okay, we will jump to this one. Okay, you may note that in the two quadrilaterals, a square and a rectangle of figure 6.6, iday figure navi discuss madbekagirdu, corresponding angles are equal. Here you are observing that 90 degree, 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 90 degree. Yes, very good concept. ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3.5, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. 3 by 3.5, is it equal to 3 by 3? No, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3.5 by 3. So here we can observe that the corresponding sides are not in the same ratio. Then are these figures are similar? No, these are not similar figures. For similar figures, we have to apply the pakka two conditions, that is corresponding angles must be equal, first condition. Second condition is corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Your first condition is holding, but not the second condition. Second condition, according to second condition, corresponding sides are not in the same ratio. That's why. So the two quadrilaterals are not similar. Gottaitalva? Similarly, you may note that in the two quadrilaterals, square and a rhombus, figure 6.7, corresponding sides are in the same ratio, but their corresponding angles are not equal. Let us share the next page. This is also in your textbook only. Now see this one. Okay, so here what you are observing, 2.1, 4.2. So 2.1, 4.2, 2.1, 4.2, 2.1, 4.2. Here second condition is holding. What is that? The corresponding sides are in the same ratio. But are you observing the same angles? Corresponding angles are equal? No. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಫಿಗರ್ ನ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ corresponding angles are not equal. That's why this is also figure 6.7 is also not an example for similar figures. Got the clear picture of the similar figures, students? So this is about the similar triangles. For similar triangles class, this is the basic class for the similar triangles class. Now you can easily apply this topic for the similar triangles in the next class. So now you have got the clear picture. No, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, corresponding ratios are same, but the corresponding angles are not equals. That's why. So these two figures are not similar figures. So actually our topic is, one second student, zoom out. I'll go back to this statement. Yes, this is our topic, today's topic. So this again emphasizes that two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if condition is there. All the corresponding angles are equal, and second one is all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Must and should these two balance. Okay, so this is the condition for similar figures. Now based on this concept, we have one exercise. We will discuss that one also. Today is our day, no, only mathematics class, that's why. Can we discuss that one? Then we will finish end up the class. Okay, where is that? Zoom out, no? Yes. We have one exercise here. Okay, first exercise. This is your first exercise of the similar triangles topic. So first question. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. We'll discuss the answers also here only. Then I'll send the answer page in your WhatsApp group. Up to first exercise you can finish today. Okay, so here you discuss first question. All circles are dash. All circles are congruent or similar. Can we ask this question for you people? Yes. Now you have got the clear picture. Now Anish. Anish.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Anish, I need the answer for first question.
Similar.
Similar. All circles are congruent ಹೇಳಲ್ವಾ ಅನೀಶ್ ನೀನು? ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ congruent ಅಲ್ಲ?
Mataji, all circles are similar.
Similar. ಯಾಕೆ? Why?
Achi, in congruent radius are same.
I need that answer actually. All circles andre circles are of different measurement alla, different radii. So that's why we cannot say that all circles are congruent, but all circles are similar. Similar figures example. Okay, thank you Anish. Yes, next question. This is question for Jeevan. Okay, Jeevan. Jeevan. Hello, Jeevan. Jeevan. All squares are
Similar.
all squares are also similar because squares different measurement squares are there. So we cannot take that as congruent. So all squares are similar. Okay, next third one. All dash triangles are similar. All dash triangles are similar. Ashwit?
Equilateral triangle.
All equilateral triangles are similar. Why, Ashwit, all equilateral triangles are similar?
Because they have same shape, but size may different.
Size may different. Okay. Same shape iratte antana. All equilateral triangles are similar because they have the same shape. Namge same shape beku anta andre, so equilateral alli measurement same barbeka. ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ ಹೇಗೆ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಚರಣ್ 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 ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಚರಣ್? ಚರಣ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ದೇರ್? ಚರಣ್, yes. Shantika, we'll talk with Shantika. Shantika. Yes, Shantika, can you give the clarification for the third fill in the blanks?
I don't know, Mataji.
You don't know. Okay. We'll ask for Shaman. Shaman.
Mataji.
Shaman, can you give the clarification for the third question?
Mataji, in equilateral triangle, all sides will be equal.
Then?
But angles also equal. 60
angles
degrees.
also equal. Then 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. So that's why you are telling that this is answer is equilateral triangle.
Yes, Mataji.
What about in isosceles triangle? ಯಾಕೆ isosceles triangle ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ?
Mataji, two sides equal ಇರ್ತದೆ, one sides different.
Different ಇರ್ತದೆ. That's why. Okay. Yes. Rashmi, what is your answer?
Mataji, in isosceles triangle, the sides not proportional.
It is not clear. Once again repeat, Rashmi.
In isosceles triangle, sides may not be proportional, and they have equal angles.
Okay, yes, I got the clear answer here. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಸೋಸೆಲಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 6 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ 6 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ 6 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ದೊಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ 12 12 12, ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್. ಇಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೇಮ್ ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ಐಸೋಸೆಲಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ದೆನ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಡ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. Next, the two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if, first one, their corresponding angles are dash and their corresponding sides are dash. In bracket you can observe equal and proportional. So, Shanvi. Hello, Shanvi.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, can you give the answer for the first?
Yes, Mataji.
First. Equal first one. Two polygons of the same number of sides similar irbeku andre we have two condition. One is their corresponding angles are equal. Of course, here you have to write equal. Then their corresponding sides are proportional, in the sense same ratio. Proportional, we are using another one word, proportional. Okay, so this is about the first main. I think you have got the clear picture of this one. So then still no need to discuss the first again in the tomorrow's class. Okay, next second one. Let us come back to second one. Give two different examples of pair of. This is for you people only. Give two different examples of pair of. First one similar figures and second one non-similar figures. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಿಗಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಚಿತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ನಾನ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಂಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ತರ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆರ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ third one, state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Can we discuss this one? Last one, ಇದನ್ನ discuss ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Okay, so now we have PQRS and ABCD quadrilateral, same number of sides, polygons, ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ polygons, both are polygons of same number of sides. So what we have to see, whether the two polygons are similar or not, we have to see. For similarity condition, we have two condition. One is corresponding angles are equal. Second one is corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, so from the figure it is very clear, but still I want to ask this question for some students. Tejasvi.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, can you give the answer for this question? PQRS is similar to ABCD?
No, it's not similar, Mataji.
Why?
Angles are not equal.
Angles are not equal, but second condition satisfied?
Yes, Mataji.
ಓಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 1.5 by 3, 1.5 by 3, 1.5 divided by 3, 1.5 divided by 3. So corresponding sides are proportional, are in the same ratio. But the first condition here, corresponding angles are not equal. Therefore, PQRS figure is not similar to ABCD. Is that clear, students? So this is the end of the first exercise. This is about the similar figures concept. So in tomorrow's class, we are going to learn about similar triangles. Okay, so now, time for you people. If you are having any confusion regarding this topic, you can ask now. So before going to give the time, 1 second, wait for few minutes. Yes.